Okay, good evening. It's morning na. It's 2:47 a.m. and I'm still working with my second video. But in this video, this is actually yung video para sa 4th week, which was already distributed last week. So since nabagyo and next week pa ang next na release natin. So, habulin natin yung lesson this week. So, try natin kung makakatulong itong video sa ating mga students. Okay, so for week 4, ito na tayo sa plotting of points in a Cartesian plane. So, medyo madali-dali lang to. So, let's make the video as short as possible para ma-send natin sa GC. So, let me share my screen with you. I'll be sharing. So, gamitin natin yung paint. Then, nag-paste na ako ng Cartesian plane dyan. Discuss natin yung Cartesian plane. So, dun sa module, na-define na doon who developed Cartesian plane. So, that is René Descartes. And now, we're going to discuss yung mismo Cartesian plane. So, let me log in my pen tab. So, and discuss and write on our Cartesian plane. So, when we say Cartesian plane, when two perpendicular lines meet at the origin, so, yun na po form ang Cartesian plane. Okay, so, gamit tayo ng pencil, then color, black. So, ito, yung points wherein nag-meet yung ating horizontal and vertical lines. So, ang tawag natin dyan ay origin. So, origin is 0, 0. Okay? So, yung ating horizontal line, we call it as x-axis. So, imagine niyo na lang na meron kayong dalawang number line, yung isa pahiga, yung isa patayo. So, this one, vertical line, yung iba nalilito sa vertical and horizontal pa rin. So, when we say vertical, patayo. Then, horizontal line, pahiga, horizon. Okay, so we call this one y-axis. Okay, and from the origin, okay, so galing sa origin 0, going to the right, we have 1, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So, dandaan going to the left, negative 1 tayo, same sa number line, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and negative 6. Going to negative infinity. Then, from the origin naman paakyat, that is positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then, going down naman, negative naman tayo. So, that is negative 1. Ang tawag natin dito ay ordinate. Ordinate, yun yung distance galing sa x-axis. Ang tawag natin ordinate or y. So, y, yung point sa y-axis. Okay, so ang tawag natin dito ay ordinate. So, kapag may point kayo sa coordinate plane, okay, so ang tawag natin dyan ay coordinates or coordinates. So, meron yan, x and y. So, yung first one, ang tawag natin dyan ay abscissa. So, that is the number from y-axis, the distance from y-axis, or the horizontal distance. So, that is abscissa. And the distance naman galing kay x-axis. So, ang tawag naman natin dyan ay ordinate. So, second siya, sa ating coordinates. Okay. So, yung ating Cartesian plane is divided into 4 quadrants. So, clockwise, counterclockwise tayo. Quadrant 1. Okay, so sa quadrant 1, as you can see, positive ang ating numbers. Okay, so like for example, this one, ano ang kanya coordinates? We have 5 and 5. Positive 5, positive 5. Okay, next, quadrant 2. Oh, sorry, quadrant 2. So we have, unahin natin si abscissa, negative and positive. Kaya for example, may point ka dito. So, tingnan natin siya. Saan ba siya? So, that is negative 3. Then, positive 4. Okay? So, maybe, lakihan natin yung ating brush. O, yung ating pen. Paano ba ito lalakihan? Yung ating size. So, it's here. Okay. Baba natin yung ating. Okay. So, in here, down left, we have quadrant 3. Okay, so that is still negative kasi unahin natin si x and negative also. Negative, negative. So, kung meron kang point here, so unahin natin siya. Saan siya? Okay, negative 4 and negative 5. Okay, next here we have down right. We have quadrant 4. Okay, so x is positive, y is negative. Okay, so kung meron kong point dito, ano ba? Tingnan natin. 3, you can see 3 and negative 4. So, sa actual teaching, ang ginagawa ko dito, gumagawa kami ng human Cartesian plane. So, yung mga students, may mga hawak silang numbers, then gagawa sila na, perform sila na dalawang line. Tapos, merong tatayo kung saan coordinate sila. Okay, so that is how we plot points in a Cartesian plane.